Sum number 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Here the area value, that is the area of a rectangle, is given. We have to find the possible length and breadth. Okay, solution. So first of all, let us consider the area. Area of a rectangle, that is 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Okay, so what is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is L into B. So we have to find the possible length and breadth. So here in this equation we are having the coefficient of a square to be as 25. So we have to multiply this 25 with 12. So 25 into 12. So this gives 2 5s are 10, 5, 300. Now you just see, now we have to find the factors of 300. So let us start with two tables. 2 15s are 30. So 2 150s are 300. Once again 2 tables. 2 7s are 14. Balance 1. 2 5s are 10. Next 3 tables. 3 2s are 6. Balance 1. 3 5s are 15. 5 tables. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now whenever I choose two numbers, we should, and when I add these two numbers, so whenever I choose two numbers and if I add these two numbers, we should get minus 35, and similarly when I multiply, we should get 300. That is here we are having 300. Okay, so we have to get 300. Like that we have to choose these numbers. From these numbers we have to choose just like that. So 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 5 5s are 25. So if I choose 12 and 25, and if I add or subtract, definitely we won't get 35, isn't it? So now let us choose 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, next 5s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and then the next thing, and then if you choose the other two parts, that is 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15. Now if I add 20 plus 15, we get minus 30, we get 35. So since we have minus, we can choose minus 20 minus 15. So minus 20 minus 15 is minus 35, and if we multiply these two numbers, we get 20 into 15, minus 20 into minus 15, definitely we get 300. So இந்த மாதிரி நம்பர்ஸ் சூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு பாருங்க. இப்போ நான் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாவே வந்து 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 ஒரு நம்பரும் 5 5s are 25. இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸ் 12 25 னு எடுத்தனா கண்டிப்பா எனக்கு ஆட் பண்ணா 35 வராது. சோ எப்படி நம்ம சூஸ் பண்றோம் அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. அதே மாதிரி 5 3s are 15. சோ இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸ் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு 35 வருது. சோ நெகட்டிவ்ல இருக்கறதால -20 -15 எடுக்கிறோம். சோ -20 -15 வந்து -35, மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா +100 +300. So this is equal to 25a square. The middle term splits as -20a minus 15a plus 12. So this is equal to, from these two terms, if I take 5a to be commonly out, we get 5 5s are 25, 5a minus 5 4s are 20. Now from these two terms, if I choose -3 to be commonly out, we get 5a minus 4. Now we can see that these two brackets are common. So the two brackets are same. So I can take 5a minus 4 to be commonly out. So remaining 5a minus 3. Therefore the possible length and breadth. Therefore the possible length and breadth of a rectangle are breadth of rectangle are 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. Second subdivision, given area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. First of all, let us multiply this 35 with minus 12. So 35 into 12. So when we multiply 35 into 12, we get 420. That is, we have to get this 420. If I add the, now we have to find the roots for 420. 420, let us start with two tables. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 zeros are. Next two tables, 2 1s are 0, 2 5s are. The next 5 tables, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. Now I have to choose two numbers such that if I add these two numbers, we should get 13. If I multiply these two numbers, we should get minus 420. Okay. So here, what are the possible roots? 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, and then remaining 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. So that if I subtract these two numbers, we get 3 1 13. Yes, of course we are getting 13, and if I multiply, that is, if I choose plus 28 and minus 15, on subtracting we get 13, that is 28 minus 15. So this we get 13, and if we multiply 28 into minus 15, we get minus 420. So this is equal to 35y square plus 13y. This we can split it as 28y minus 15y minus 12. So this is equal to, from these two terms we can take 7y to be commonly out. We get 5y plus 7 4s are 28, 4. Now from these two terms we can take minus 3 to be commonly out, so that we get a 5y plus 4. Now we can see that these two brackets are same, that is, we can take 5y plus 4 to be commonly out. So 5y plus 4, if I take it commonly out, remaining we get 7y minus 3. Therefore the possible length and breadth of rectangle are 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. This is the answer.